to be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart.
Good afternoon. It is 6:00 something. I filmed it in the beginning of the montage. If you guys like that, take the poll question up there. Started off the video with the poll question. Very smart. But anyways, so we decided we weren't gonna film today because of like how how behind we are, and we decided we're just gonna film a tumbling class, and we can always put this up as a bonus video for you guys. So I think we'll probably put this one up for a bonus videos, I don't know, but that's up to my mom because she's the editor. And my phalanges grew and now they're in the ponytail. It's just this little bit, but it was worse. So I'm very thankful that they're in the pony. I'm holding my Jolly Rancher so I don't have to speak like that. But anyways, I got ready for a tumbling class. We have to leave very soon because we are going to eat dinner, I think, because we don't have time to make dinner and we would be late there anyway. So it's 6:10. If we leave now, then we can have plenty of time to eat, because if we go like 10 minutes towards where the gym is, then we're good. So we're going to be filming our tumbling class, well, private, if you want to say that. Ellie will be going first again today because she doesn't really pay attention at the end because her friends are there, and like she just gets really tired because she works a lot the 30 minutes before I go. So she'll be go first, I will be going second, and I will still be tumbling the first time. But today I'm working whips, and I'm actually really scared because I don't like whips, and they make my, it hurts. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like where you land and it takes your breath away, and you can barely breathe. Like every time I land my second whip, it just takes my breath away, and I'm like, okay, let's do another one. But anyway, so I'm going to be working very hard today because last private did not go very well because I wasn't feeling the mood, and plus I just wasn't feeling good that day. So this time we're going to prove it, and we're going to do it, and hopefully Rick will be proud of me and Ellie at the end of the day. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you heads up that we weren't filming today because we're ahead of schedule with the video, so we wanted to be on schedule every day. So this video, we want this video to be up tomorrow, but it won't because we're like 3 videos behind. So we're really excited for tumbling class. Ellie has been playing on Roblox with Jessie, which is our friend from Indiana. They've been FaceTiming and playing on the computer at the same time, which she's been addicted to for the past 2 days, and she will still not get off. So we had to yell at her to get ready and all that, but we are getting ready to leave, and hopefully this tumbling private goes good. Wish us luck. And if you're following me, we just hit 500K, so thank you guys so much. I'm really excited. I've been refreshing every single day and trying to hit 500K because I freaking love you guys. And also go follow Ellie. She's about to hit 200K. We came so far, guys. We love you so much, and keep smiling.
Alright guys, we're going into class.
What? There's a lot of people here.
We're going into class. Ellie won't get off the phone.
Come on now. It's time. Call her back.
Alright. We'll film in there. Bye.
So, we just got home from tumbling. Ellie is in bed because we didn't film when we directly got home because we were eating dinner and it was really late for us not to cook anything, so we just stopped at Taco Bell and got some Taco Bell. And I gotta change the battery, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And my nose is really stuffed right now. I don't know why, maybe because it's the temperature or something. I have no clue. But anyways, I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow because I just did whips. That was the tumbling pass I did. When it went, I'm so tired. When it went, like it was a layout, then layout again. So I did that and it's gonna kill my back. And so right now we're watching like these cops of like bad teenagers. But anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. This private went really well. My front throughs weren't the best, but I did get a new tumbling pass, which was a whip to a full. Are you proud of me? Because you always wanted that pass.
When you can perfect it and land it on the floor, I'll be happy.
Yeah, that's gonna take forever. But anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And the question of the day is, what color is your hair? I don't know. I really want to dye my hair soon. But my hair is like, this isn't my natural hair color. It's more like this color. This is my natural hair color. I dyed it for VidCon and it's always stayed like that. But I'm dyeing it soon again. So if you enjoyed today's video, and bye guys!
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been.